Hello everyone, welcome again to my math class. We are still in variation. Ang lesson natin today is yung continuation lang ng combined variation. Today we will find the unknown sa isang combined variation. Okay, reviewin muna natin. Combined variation by definition is a combination of direct variation and inverse variation. Okay, so ang mathematical statement, the statement y varies directly to x and inversely to z means, yan, makikita nyo, combine siya, isang directly, yung isa inversely. Mathematical equation yan will be y equals to k times x over z. And the equation of the constant, k is equal to yz over x. Okay, so yan ang ating equation of the constant. So let us now learn to derive formulas from the equation of variation. Okay, so sometimes kasi ibang variables ang hinahanap, kailangan matutunan natin mag-derive ng formulas na nanggagaling din sa equation of variation. Okay, suppose meron tayong mga equation of variation dito, 4, no? So let us derive formulas daw for x in each of the following equations. So number 1, unahin natin number 1, y equals 2x over z. Kuha tayo ng equation for x, apply natin ang theorem in proportion, yung product of the extreme is equal to the product of the means. The resulting equation now will be yz is equal to 2x. So x ang kailangan natin, yung 2, ibaba mo as denominator ng yz para x na lang matira sa right side. So x now will be equal to yz over 2. So ganun lang mag-derive ng formula. So number 2 tayo. Theorem in proportion uli. For yz is equal to 3x. Na-apply lang natin yung theorem in proportion. So x lang ang kailangan natin na nasa right side siya. Ibaba natin yung 3 as the denominator of 4yz. So x now, formula natin para sa x equals to 4yz over 3. Let's go to number 3. Theorem in proportion uli. That will be yx equals to 5ub squared. So, kitang-kita na, ibaba mo lang yung y as denominator ng 5ub squared. So, x now will be 5ub squared over y. Let's go to number 4. Theorem in proportion uli. Product of the extreme is equal to product of the means. Yx squared is equal to z. So, yung y, baba natin as denominator ng z. Kuha natin ang formula na x squared equals to x squared is equal to z over y. But meron pa tayong squared dito. Remember, ng quadratic equation, yung first method natin, yung extracting of square roots, we use the square root principle. Para mawala daw yung square na yan, you take the positive negative square root of the other side. And the resulting equation now will be x equals to positive negative square root of z over y. Okay, so ganun lang mag-derive ng formulas. Kahit saan pa siya mapunta, numerator, denominator, apply mo lang ang theorem in proportion, makukuha mo ang formula niya. Okay, so let us now learn how to find the unknown in a combined variation. So, example number 1, b varies directly as d and inversely as t, and b is equal to 4 when d is equal to 6 and t is equal to 3. Letter A, find b when d is equal to 15 and t is equal to 10. And then, yung pangalawa naman, letter B, find d daw when b is equal to 30 and t is equal to 7. So, meron tayong dalawang unknown dito. Gawa muna tayo. First step natin will be the mathematical equation, of course. So, b is equal to kd over t. So, from the statement, b varies directly as d and inversely as t. And since ang constant ay hindi given, if you read the problem, hindi given ang constant, find the equation of the constant. So, k now is equal to bt over d. So, ayan. Let us solve for k, yung constant natin. Ang b daw natin ay 4 and d is 6 and t is equal to 3. Mas-solve natin siya by substituting that in the the equation of the constant. So, K now is equal to 4. Yung T natin ay 3. Tapos yung D ay 6. So, we have 12. Yung numerator natin ay 12 divided by 6. So, K is equal to 2. Ngayon, next step natin, i-substitute natin yung value ng K na yan dun sa mathematical equation natin para makuha natin yung equation of variation. Equation of variation now will be B is equal to 2D over T. So, yan ngayon na magsisilbing formula para ma-solve natin yung mga missing quantity. Sa letter A, B ang inahanap. So, as is na yung equation of variation natin. Substitute lang natin yung D equals 15 and T is equal to 10. Ayan na siya. So, B now is equal to 2. Yun yung K natin. Tapos 15 yung D. T natin is 10. So, numerator natin will be 30 divided by 10. So, the B now is equal to 3. Okay? When D is 15 and T is equal to 10. Let's go now to sa requirement number letter B. Find D daw when B is equal to 30 and T is equal to 7. So, yung equation of variation natin, nakapwesto siya sa B. So, let us derive formula for D kasi D ang hinahanap. So, gaya nung ginawa natin kanina, product of the extreme is equal to the product of the means in theorem and proportion. Meron tayong BT is equal to 2D. And D now is equal to BT over 2. Okay, now substitute natin yung given. Ang B daw ay 30, tapos yung T ay 7. Yan, 30 times 7 over 2. So, 15 divided by 2 is, 30 divided by 2 is 15. So, 15 times 7 will be 105. So, yan na ngayon ang value ng D natin kapag ang B daw ay 30 and then ang T ay 7. Okay, so ganun lang yan. Ano? Nanggaling lang lahat yung mga formula natin sa equation of variation. Let's go to another example. Number 2, R bar is directly as S and inversely to U squared. And R is equal to 2 when U is equal to 2 and S is equal to 18. Letter A, dalawa ulit hinahanap natin. Find R when U is equal to 3 and S equals to 27. Yung letter B is find U when R is equal to 1 and S is equal to 36. So, solution, gaya nung kanina, mathematical equation muna. Since yung constant ay hindi na naman given sa problem, as you read, equation din ang constant. So, yan ang mathematical equation natin base sa statement na R bar is directly to S and inversely to U square. So, equation ng constant now is equal to R U squared over S. So, ang given natin na let us solve for the constant K. Ang given natin is R equals to 2 when U is equal to 2 and S is equal to 18. Yan yung per set ng numbers natin. So, substituting that to the equation of the constant, yung R natin ay 2. Yung U natin ay 2 pa rin, pero naka-square siya. And then, the 18, yung S. 18 can be written also as 2 times 3 times 3. So, makikita nyo, makakancel na yung 2. And then, wala na. So, ang K natin will be 4. Tapos, sa denominator ay 9. Okay? Substitute natin siya sa mathematical equation para makuha natin yung equation of variation. So, R now is equal to, sulat mo muna yung K, 4 over 9. Lagay mo sa numerator yung 4, yung 9, lagay mo sa denominator. Tapos, S, nasa numerator, and then yung U squared nasa denominator. Okay, so ganun lang kapag fraction, kapag ang K natin ay fraction. Now, let us find R when U is equal to 3 and S is equal to 27. So, R ang hinahanap, yung equation of variation natin ay R, nakapwesto sa R. So, wala na tayong babaguhin sa equation of variation. Substitute na lang natin yung mga given. R now is equal to 4. Ayan siya. 4. Tapos yung S natin, 27. Copy the 9, and then U squared will be 3 squared. Okay, makikita nyo dito, 27 can be divided by 9, that will be 3. Okay, so meron kang 3 squared sa denominator, so parang 3 times 3 lang yon. Ibig sabihin, makakancel ko yung isang 3. So, 3 na lang matitira sa denominator. And r now will be 4 thirds. Okay, so ganun lang yan, ano? Ganun lang kadali. Okay, so be patient. Letter B. Find u when r is equal to 1 and s is equal to 36. So, u ang hinahanap, mag-derive tayo ng formula for u. Okay, so u, yung applying the theorem in proportion, we have 9ru squared is equal to 4s. So, ibaba mo yung 9r sa as denominator ng 4s para meron kang formula for u squared. Okay, u squared now is equal to 4s over 9r. Okay, so mamaya mo na intindihin yung squared na yan. So, substitute muna natin yung formula. Yung mga given pala. So, 4, 9. So, kopyahin muna. Yung s natin ay 36. Tapos, yung u natin, yung r natin ay 1. 36 can be divided by 9 and that will be 4. So, meron tayong 4 tsaka 4 times 4 sa numerator. And then, denominator natin, 1 na lang. So, u squared now is equal to 16. Remember, nung nasa quadratic tayo, para mawala yung square daw, nung nasa left side, you take the positive negative square root of the other side. So, u now is equal to the positive negative square root of 16. And 16 is a perfect square number. So, kaya natin kunin ang square root niyan. U now is equal to positive 4 and u is equal to negative 4. Okay, so that's it for today. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video lesson na ito. Paano mag-derive ng formulas and then yung maghanap ng unknowns sa isang combined variation. So next lesson natin will be problem solving na ng variation. So thank you everyone. God bless.